The world was burning, borders on fire, nations at war with endless desire. But one stood tall, refused the fight, called for peace to make it right, while others chased glory, chasing the crown. He fought for peace to calm it down. Give him the honor, give him the name, for ending the wars, not chasing the fame. Nominate Trump for the Nobel Peace. The world deserves a sweet release. 6 wars silenced in just 6 months, talks instead of bombs and guns. From Ukraine fields to Gaza skies, hope returned in people's eyes. No reward needed, no spotlight flame, just history speaking his name. Give him the honor, give him the name, for ending the wars, not chasing the fame. Nominate Trump for the Nobel Peace. The world deserves a sweet release. Leaders may come and leaders may go, but peace is the prize the whole world should know. Together we rise, the fighting must cease. Stand up and call for the Nobel Peace. Give him the honor, give him the name, for ending